Hello there. It's time for another short trick I want to show you, considering a very interesting Outlook feature. Is your calendar also stacked with back-to-back meetings all the time, and you don't have time for a short bio break in between, or even a short stretch, or simply make your notes of those meetings? Well, there's an interesting feature in Outlook which allows you to automatically shorten meetings, so you have a little bit of time in between two meetings. I'll quickly show you how it's done so you can try out yourself. So in Outlook, go to File, then we click Options, Calendar, Calendar Options, and here you can set up shorten appointments and meetings automatically by choosing whether to end them a bit earlier or to start a bit later. For instance, let's say we'll end them earlier. Meetings with less than an hour, a total time being 5 minutes shorter and 1 hour or longer, 10 minutes shorter. And so the moment you do this, automatically every single meeting you will now create is automatically shortened by 5 or 10 minutes. That's it already for today. I hope you'll enjoy the extra time in between meetings and see you next time for another interesting tip. Bye bye.